Irish coffee is a classic cocktail that combines rich coffee, Irish whiskey, sugar, and a luxurious layer of cream on top. It's perfect for warming up on a cold day or as an after-dinner treat. You will need the following ingredients: 1.5 ounces Irish whiskey. Choose a quality Irish whiskey for the best flavor. 1 teaspoon brown sugar. You can adjust the sweetness to your liking. 4 ounces hot brewed coffee. Use freshly brewed, strong coffee. 1 ounce heavy cream, lightly whipped to a soft peak. For equipment you will need heat-resistant glass or mug, spoon, whisk for whipping the cream. Here are the instructions. Preheat your glass by filling it with hot water. Once warm, discard the water. Add the brown sugar to the glass. Pour in the hot coffee and stir until the sugar is dissolved. Stir in the Irish whiskey. Gently pour the whipped cream over the back of a spoon to float on top of the coffee. Serve hot and enjoy. Irish coffee was reportedly invented in the 1940s by Joe Sheridan, a chef at Foynes Port near Limerick, Ireland, to warm up and comfort cold and weary travelers.